Hi ladies, this is Michelle. Welcome back to the Art Extravaganza. This is the travel range that we have created for you. This is a quick bonus single page for you to create. So all I have done is I have used orange as my background. I have then used my sheet that has the beautiful blue sky paper as my background. I've cut it shorter to 30 by 30. So I have a small border all the way around my page. Then I took my travel page that had all the maps on, and I have cut circles that are 9.5 centimeters in diameter from the entire sheet. I've kept the sheet as it looked, and then I have actually put the 9 blocks as my background. So it looks like little planets all over the page. Then I have just created 2 photo mats. These were 10 by 14 and matted onto some more orange. I added my title, and then the passport I just cut off the top of the little VW Beetle, and the aeroplane I cut off the Polaroids and added that to the top as well. Alright, so that is your quick bonus single page that you can create using the Nude Art travel range. Thank you, bye.